Breath is your gateway to presence, peace, and personal power. When you take even a few moments to breathe consciously, you return to yourself, calmer, clearer, and more connected. Listen to this simple practice every day for 7, 14, or 21 days and watch how your life begins to shift. It all starts with one breath, one moment, one choice to slow down. Let's begin. So go ahead and close your eyes. Just take a nice, deep breath. Drop your shoulders. Stretch out your jaw. Let your body be comfortable, whether you're sitting or laying. And just knowing that right now there's nothing you have to do or say or think or feel. This meditation is a meditation for beginners. It's very simple and just getting you used to being still, being relaxed, breathing in and breathing out. It's very simple. There's really nothing in particular you have to do. Just relax and follow my voice. One of the best ways to begin meditating is just to find yourself in a comfortable position, and on your inhale, say to yourself, I am breathing in. And on your exhale, say to yourself, I am breathing out. You can follow my voice for a few breaths here. So going ahead and just repeating to your mind, your body, your heart, and your soul. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. Now just go ahead and go at your own pace. A few more times. When we're first beginning a meditation practice, this is the absolute best way to start and begin. It just allows you to be still for a moment, to breathe in and out. Get connected to your breath. Get connected to this now moment. We're giving the mind something to do by speaking the words, I am breathing in and I am breathing out. And just be proud of yourself for taking the time to be still, to relax. And maybe before you come all the way back, you can wiggle your fingers a little bit and bring your hands to your heart space and just send yourself some love and gratitude for taking this time for yourself to go inward. And then wiggle the toes and the fingers again. Maybe stretch the arms a little bit, open the eyes. Bring a smile to your face, increasing endorphins. Thank you for this small amount of time to be together. And just come back to this meditation as often as feels good. I might recommend maybe trying it for 3, 7, 10 days or so before moving on to a longer meditation, longer process. Thank you so much, and be well.